Well, it's getting there. I noticed a little, going on. So I picked up a set of muffler gaskets. Yep. Yep. So we're gonna tear this thing apart again for the 7 millionth time. Oh, but look, you can clearly see. Oh yeah, check this thing out, huh? Kubota. Right, but look. Oh, it's fucking aluminum. There we go. Are you gonna hang off that screw? Nope, not strong enough. Point being, there's a magnet in it. And that's not all. How long do you want it? Like, whoop. Pretty cool. And it bends on the end. And magnet on that end. Look at that shit. I don't know. It's just a cool ass flashlight. I thought it was pretty neat. Come in handy, you lose a bolt down in an engine case or something like that. Will come in handy, I'm sure. Was a stocking stuffer this year. Pretty neat. And it's not too bright. See? See the black right there coming around the flange on the head, and then also on the pipe right there at the top center. Got a little black and a little black on the head. So that's where my piss poor noise is coming from. So hopefully, I'm gonna do one. I'll do both of them. Gotta take them both off anyway. New muffler gaskets should hopefully fix that. I don't know. That's the way all my videos are. Random and just because. But it's supposed to be warm tomorrow, so I'll get this pipe pulled off. See what it looks like in there. Fun.